Well, good evening everyone, this is Zach Harris here from Profits for Wealth Financial Trading School, and today we're going to be talking about what everyone is talking about today. Guess what? It's all about cryptocurrency, and today is the 22nd of December 2017, and the time is coming up to 9 p.m. in the UK here. So what we're going to talk about is what is going on in the coin market cap. So I'm just going to open up coinmarketcap.com, and you can see that pretty much everything is dropping today. Bitcoin dropped at one stage over 35 to 40%. They were trading at below $12,000 at one stage, and they quite recovered at this stage. Ethereum is down, Bitcoin Cash is down, Ripple is pretty much breaking even, but at one stage it was down 20% as well. And as well as we have got Cardone is down, Iota, one of my favorite actually cryptocurrency there, one of my favorite company, and that's also down. Dash is down, Bitcoin, Monero, pretty much everything. Look, EOS is down 26%. At one stage this market cap overall was below 500 billion. It was, I think the last time I saw was 470 billion market cap, from after being up on the top of 600 billion. So where did the 120 to 130 billion went today? What actually happened? A lot of people were wondering, is this the end of Bitcoin? Is the Bitcoin crashing? Is the cryptocurrency is gonna disappear today? Is it really true, or what is it? A lot of people have had a lot of fear in them. They start selling off their Bitcoin. Now I'm gonna show you exactly what happened today, but more importantly, how good it can turn into. Is it really a crash? It was really a disaster of a day, or was it an opportunity of a lifetime for you? So I'm gonna tell you all that right after this. So guys, why not we actually have a look at Bitcoin chart here on TradingView. So we're gonna do BTC, and we're gonna go look at BTC versus USD, means in USD prices chart, and that chart is from, I think, a Coinbase. So I'm gonna open up the full screen. I'm gonna show you exactly, break it down and show you a smaller time frame to the larger time frame what exactly happened. So I'm gonna, first of all, I'm gonna delete this part. Okay, so a couple of days ago I've done analysis, and I said, you know what, it would be this price, it could rise back up. If it's not that price, I still have that line drawn, that this line, which is, I think it's 14,390. If it's not there from that price, it could actually bounce back up, but it won't actually close below that price, because if it closed below that price, we're talking about going down to maybe 1200 and closing below that point, and then maybe next stop would be, next support would be in between 10 and 8,000 US dollar, which is quite low, and I didn't think it would actually go down by that much. But as you can see here, what happened today, I am gonna change, it's a 1 day time frame we're looking at. I'm gonna change it to 1 hour. Okay, gonna go full screen there. Okay, so this was the point when I said it could bounce back up. First I said 16,000. I said if it's not, then it will definitely bounce back up from that price in around 14,000. It's not gonna close below that price on day chart, and that's exactly what happened. As you can see here, we had a downward trend there from at the price from 20,000, nearly 20,000. It hit, took a turn there, then we had a major price correction. Okay, what has started happening is it's simply a price correction. That's all it is. Bitcoin is not going to crash. In fact, as you can see here, in around I'm talking about 2 o'clock, after 2 o'clock everything changed. This bar, as you can see, this bar is a very big long naked wick here. It's a tiny little of a sell off. It was actually sold off to the price below 11,200. As I can show you, what's the lowest price? The lowest price was, as you can see here, you see this is the price of each bar. So the lowest price in around 2 o'clock, in between 2 to 3 o'clock, was 11,159, which was very low. But it didn't actually close below that price. A lot of buyers actually jump in, and then we've got a next really strong bar, a green bar. More buyers jump in, and now it's coming to the point. Then the price correction, whatever it had to happen, it happened in the last few days. I think it's a fantastic price. It's a fantastic price. Some people got scared to start selling off their Bitcoin. It start like the fear takes over, but remember that you can actually only make profits in the market as long as you're not actually emotionally attached to this trade, as well as you're not making irrational decisions. You gotta open up a chart, see what even if you bought it, let's say here in 15,000, or let's say in around 13,000 or 14,000, you still have to look at the bigger picture. Bigger picture is, let me just change it to 1 day chart. Okay, look, it's not gonna go well below that point. You know, this is a pretty savage, pretty good actually price correction, and that price correction happened actually a few months back as well. As if you were to, let's say, look at here, look, we had a fairly good run from we're talking about in 15th of September till up to November. It's still, again, I wouldn't really call it the major price correction, but if I were to go back, that is the major price correction. As you can see here, from 2000, like 3000, it hit the 3000 mark. What happened there? They corrected its prices. Okay, it major correction, and it is the same sort of correction. So if I were to actually show you what kind of drop we had there, okay, we had a drop, we're talking about 33% drop. That was a normal correction. Okay, so that was 33% drop there back in, when was that? In June. And we're talking about this year, June, literally about 5 to 6 months ago. But a major correction there, like a small 32% correction. What sort of correction we're talking about right now? Okay, so if you were to actually forecast this, okay, so start dropping from here. So we call it, again, it hasn't actually closed below. Again, it was 33%. It dropped to literally 40%. Okay, but then buyers jump in, and now we're trading at like about 26% correction. So that's quite normal as compared to looking at all the rally we had. It was a really great rally. Okay, so if we were to actually look at the rally, okay, so let me just draw another line there. Okay, forecast there. But a great rally all the way from here to 450%, 435% market increase without any major price correction. Like, it's due a price correction after going up so high, you know. And that's what you need to understand, that you don't need to buy when it's going up here. Like, it's still, if it's for a long run, and it's fantastic. But if you want to cash in, get involved, and maybe make 30 to 40 or 50 or 60% profit. Okay, even for the next resistance level, which we have nearly 20,000, you would still get involved at that price, and you would make, let's say, roughly about 35 to 40% profit. That is pretty savage return, pretty good return in a month to 2 months time. And that's what you need to understand. It's nothing but only a price correction. That's all it is. Look, this is the price correction. This is the major price correction. There was a 32%. Now we have roughly about 26 to maybe 30% price correction. Probably the next day or two we'll have a really strong green bar on a day time frame, on a daily time frame, and there you go, it will rise back up again. And that's exactly what you need to focus on. This is not an actually what you call a drop, a major crash. In fact, it's a genuine opportunity. I saw a great opportunity because I wanted to get involved in Ripple. I'm already involved in Ripple, but I wanted to open up a small trade so I could actually show you guys that, look, this is the advantage I've taken when I traded when I traded today. A lot of people were selling off. I saw a great opportunity and I opened the trade. So I'm going to show you the trade I opened. In fact, I wanted to buy it instantly. I wasn't going to wait around till I transferred my Bitcoin from my one account into Binance or anywhere. I literally opened an account on eToro, lodged the money, few quid, and bought a really small amount of Ripple just to show you guys, look, that's how you take an action, okay? When you see an opportunity like that, you don't just sit around. As Warren Buffett, he's a billionaire investor. He always says either he buys his stocks or stocks, but he always buys it on the dip, on the best possible price. When he knows that it's not on the peak price, it is dropped, it's on the dip, then and only then he get involved. So at least he knows if he's not gonna make a huge amount of money, he won't even lose, and if he does, he will minimize his risk. Okay, and that's just the way you have to be smart when it comes to trading, without having your emotion attached, without making any rational decisions. Look at the charts. Forget about what's happening on telly, what people are talking about. People are scaring you off, whatever it's happening. Forget about everything. You have got the technical analysis, the best tool you could have in order to gain massive profits in the markets. This is the power of technical analysis. Okay, so what I done is, I'm going to show you here. I'm going to open up my eToro account. This is my portfolio. Hold on, it's opening now. So guys, here is my eToro account. That's I show you exactly how much I invested. Very small amount, just to show you guys, just for this channel, just for my YouTube channel, to show you, look, when you see a dip like that, this is not a disaster. This is an opportunity. To take it as an opportunity, it will only work for you if you strike it straight away. When you see an opportunity, hop on it, have a patience, okay? Good things come to those who've got plenty of patience, okay? Get involved in it, wait for it, and see what happens. So I'm going to show you exactly, look, I bought XRP, okay, at the price of, I thought it was actually 87, 88 cents, but by the time I got involved, the market was fluctuating a good bit. I got involved in 92 cent per unit, or per coin, as you want to call it, and at the moment I'm making very small profit of £50, but again, it's in a matter of few hours. But again, it's for long term. I'm not thinking to close this trade tomorrow, day after tomorrow. I'm actually gonna close I'm talking about in maybe few months down the line, 6 months, 8 months, 10 months, I don't know yet. But however, it is for few months. It's not for day trading or weekly or monthly trading. I believe it will. This product has a lot of potential. As you can see here, I got 665.98 units open at that price. Current price is from 92 to 98, and at the moment I'm making profit of 46. I show you exactly what time I opened my trade. I bought actually XRP, which is Ripple, at half month. So if you were to see actually price were still dropping for about 45 minutes to an hour. At one stage in between those two actually products, I'm talking about Bitcoin Cash and Ripple, I was losing $200 or $250. Overall, you're talking about 20% of my equity was gone. Until that, from 25%, now I'm up nearly 20%. Why? Because I wasn't emotionally attached. I knew it was an opportunity. I knew it would turn around. And it was just a price correction. People were selling off, taking their profits. What happens when people sell off? Market drops. But then opportunities, they see an opportunity to jump into the market. They buy into an opportunity, and that will actually increase the price. I might have jumped in a little bit too sooner, but at the same time, it's not for, again, for a week or 2 weeks. It's simply for next few months up to a year down the line, so I'm not worried about it. So if I were to actually show you a chart there of Ripple chart, okay, Ripple chart against, let's say, or I'll just do XRP USD. Okay, let's let's show maybe an hour frame time chart, and I'm going to show you exactly how much money I was losing one stage. Well, what happens then? You got to just sit tight and see what's going to happen. Wow. As you can see here, this is, I'm looking at 1 hour time frame. By the way, Ripple is fantastic product. I've done all my research, technical as well as fundamental analysis. I believe at the moment it's trading on $1 per coin or per token, but it will hit in between $4 to $5 minimum, according to my research, if everything goes well in the year of 2018. So anyway, I'm just going to show you the trade. I placed a trade in around 1:30, and as you can see, that time was 3 o'clock till 4 o'clock. It took a turn, so I probably placed a trade in between that bar. As you can see, after that it dropped massively. But as you can see here, if I were to actually make it a smaller chart, and if I were to draw a line here, we have a major support there. I knew if that support means this is the major price barrier we have, people will see an opportunity there and they will buy into it, because they know that this is worth a lot more. This is a great opportunity, and it's dropping after hitting nearly 130 to actually 69 cent. Even at 90 cent, I bought it around 87, 88, but by the time you take out the spread and all that buying and selling price difference, it would about 90, 92 cent. Even at that price, I thought was great opportunity. Still, it is about 30% difference. So if I were to show you a forecast here, so I bought it here, roughly here. That's 33%. I think it will actually break that resistance and will fly up to $4 or $5, and that's why when I'm looking to sell off, I'm not looking to sell off now. I probably will sell off little amounts and reinvest into something else to diversify my portfolio. And that is the way, guys, you gotta you gotta take an action so you can diversify your portfolio and make the most of it. And guys, cryptocurrency is an opportunity for you to turn your money into true wealth, okay? And this is the right opportunity. Now I'm going to show you my second trade, which is Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin Cash, which we all know, has rose quite a bit in the last few days since the Coinbase have taken Bitcoin Cash into their trading products. Now you can actually buy Bitcoin Cash from 1st of January, I think, coming next month. You can buy and sell Bitcoin Cash on Coinbase, and that's one of the major reasons that their prices have gone up. Look, pretty much in around the same price. I've got involved a small equity of $570, unit 0.27, because the overall price is 2,202. But I'm looking, if you were to look at, if I were to show you what kind of profit I want to take in this, you will be absolutely amazed. Look, I've invested $570, and I'm looking to take that kind of profit. Okay, even if I don't take that kind of profit, even if I take half the amount, that let's say $2,500 from 570, that's a 400 to 500% return in 1 year time. Okay, who will give it to you? That banks won't give it to you. Your own business sometimes don't even give it to you. Even if your own business will give you that kind of return, you have to trade some amount of hours to get that sort of returns. So you need to learn how to make your money work for you. And not only that, when is the best time to get in and get out into these marketplaces, in the money marketplaces like cryptocurrency, trading markets, like equities, commodities. If you know when is the best time to get in and get out, then and only then you can make some major profits. So guys, I hope it all makes sense to you, and I hope you enjoyed these video clips. And again, thanks very much for watching this clip, and I'm looking forward to showing you more clips, providing more value, and I'm going to show you how I make my decisions when I want to get involved in cryptocurrency or trading markets, and when I want to trade on FTSE. Again, I'm Zach Harris from Financial Trading School, Profits for Wealth. Search for our channel Crypto and Profits for Wealth on YouTube. Subscribe, like and comment. If you have any questions, drop it down on the comment box below, or simply email me. I'll be more than happy to get back to you. Thanks very much and have a fantastic day. Bye bye.